right, Lilia, sit down. Open up your
Sit
thing.
down. Get your gift.
You have another one, see? Look.
Open it up. What's in
What's
there?
in here? What's in here for Lilia? This is for Lilia.
Oh, we.
What is
Lilia, open yours. What's in yours, Lilia?
Help her. She doesn't. Carrie. Help her.
Here.
Yeah, Buzz.
One. A blue one. Daddy. A blue.
Oh, looky.
Buzz Lightyear.
Diego.
Hey, you. Good. Good for Leo.
Good for Lilia.
Diego.
Here's a motorcycle. Let me get this.
Take out the toys on the top and show her.
This
Look
is
at the motorcycle.
Oh, nothing in there.
Look at who's that? Who is that?
What's his name? Sniper or
Buzz
I
Lightyear.
think or something.
I got it just for me.
Is
Hey.
this the Spanish Buzz?
I don't know.
Look at the sled. Here's Diego. Look at two Diegos. Look at the turtle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's an alligator.
This is a leatherback.
Here's a little Diego. Look at this little Diego.
Hey, this is a leatherback sea turtle.
That's
This
right.
is a leatherback sea turtle.
Leather. Third.
Here, Loya. And here's Swiper the fox.
Swiper. That's right. His name is Swiper.
This is Swiper the fox. This is Swiper the fox.
Okay, what's next?
I wanna see. Hey, wait. This is a caiman. It swims in